Mausawa Falls is located in Maukoma Sora and is about 50 kilometers away from Shillong. In and around Maukoma, you can visit about 4 different waterfalls, namely Janailar Falls, Lingsiar Falls, Mausawa Falls, and Prut Falls. What's more exciting about Mausawa Falls is that you can embark on a thrilling hike through the dense forest, following trails that lead you closer to the falls. Stay tuned to know more about this place. Hi guys, this is Omi Klitz and welcome back to my channel. Traveling to me is not merely an experience of a particular place, because each place holds a special place in my heart. It has always left an impact on me in ways that I could never imagine. While growing up, I realized that I love traveling and collecting memories. And cherry on the cake is that I live in Meghalaya, so it's easier for me to travel around, make memories, and trust me, you can never get over them. And what I love the most is that I get to share them with you all. 150?
Yeah, GP. Ask them there, GP.
If you don't GP, no? No, I have change, I have. Hold this.
This way.
Look at this beautiful place. So guys, we finally reached Mausawa. I don't know, I feel like this entire year I've only been to this place in and around Mausawa, because if you guys have watched my previous two vlogs, the first vlog this year was my visit with my family to Janailar Falls, and then last month I happened to visit another falls which is just located somewhere around Prut Falls. That was my recent video, and now I'm here in Mausawa Falls, and I think all three of them are equally beautiful and really appealing to the eyes. And I have my friends here with me who joined me today.
We are not her French.
What?
तेरा तो गेम बजाना पड़ेगा.
You know what? I cooked biryani for them yesterday. I mean, like entire night I was working so hard for them, and now this person is saying that I'm not his friend. Oh, compose.
Best friends, bro.
Okay, that sounds better. So you have to trek.
Yeah.
This is such a beautiful place. I feel like I can just stay here. It'll be easy for me to fall asleep since I have difficulty sleeping. Most of the time I'm quite insomniac. See, beautiful butterfly. We have this beautiful butterfly. Whoa, this butterfly is following us. Oh my god, someone is taking bath, I think. I think I'm closer to the waterfall. Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? More beautiful than Janailar and Prut Falls. I love it. What a lovely weather. People here are having fun with families and friends. Come. Imagine having biryani here. Okay.
कपड़ा लेके आना आना चाहिए ना.
There's a tiny beach also. We can go there.
We can stand. Well, come. Let's remove the shoes.
Yeah.
Keep it there.
We'll not eat now, no?
After some time, no?
Okay.
नीचे कर सकते क्या? नहीं ना?
नहीं.
Okay, no?
Yeah.
इधर आओ.
Welcome to Moscow Mall. पहलवान जी पधार रहे हैं. थलाइवा जी पधार रहे हैं.
इससे ज़्यादा पानी कहाँ पे आता है?
कहाँ? हाँ. This is how crystal clear the water is. You can, it's just transparent. Beautiful. So let me show you guys the spot we've chosen to eat. This is our tiny little spot where we're going to eat now. I just hope it's not spilled. Just see, what is that?
Yes, I guess. Yes.
Oh, that is mine, S. So, it'll come out like that. Yes, we have the chicken. It's all oily. So, first of all, this is the chicken, butter chicken that I cooked. Then we eat biryani. Hummus, this is
Wow, nice.
also biryani. It's also biryani. That is mine, okay? It's a little less this one. I will not be able to eat so much.
Nice. Tasty food. Our cook is there.
I'm the chef, okay? So I have spoons also if you guys want.
Nice.
Mom actually packed these tissues, so thanks to mom. How's the food, Anirban?
So tasty.
Okay, let's wait for Thomas's reaction. Then I'll eat.
You also eat?
Yeah, I'll eat first. You eat, no? How is it?
Nailed it.
Thank you. So guys, we're just done with our food and now it's another attempt to swim. Just kidding. I'm not going to swim. I can't swim, so I'm just trying to get inside the water. This is actually deep, no? And I think it's raining now. It's going to rain. It's about to. I don't know if we are lucky or not, but yeah. Are you guys liking the vibe of this place?
ये सब क्या देखना पड़ रहा है?
We are enjoying a lot.
This is the second time, Thomas. We hit so cold on my video.
Yeah. You asked me. I thought you were
It's like talking to it's like talking to a rock, you know. I'd rather talk to these rocks. guys, I think Mausava Falls is the best. I've decided it's the best out of all the 3 falls that I've been so far. That is, if you compare Janailar Falls, if you compare Prut Falls, and if you compare Mausava Falls wins. Why? Because you don't have to trek much, and at the same time, I think it's a perfect spot for families and friends to, come out for a little picnic, mini picnic, and at the same time they can swim. As you can see. So I think it's a perfect spot, especially if the weather is good like this. I think it's a bingo. So we are done exploring this part of the waterfall. Now we'll go and check out the viewpoint that's up here. Let's see how's the view from up there. The water is sparkling. Gorgeous. Be careful of these potholes. It's like a whirlpool. ये रुक जा, मैं आ रही हूँ वहाँ पे. चल.
क्या स्लिपी होगा
Scary.
कहीं पे बहुत स्लिपी होगा.
It's like a jacuzzi. Natural jacuzzi.
अच्छे से देख के
अरे बन यहाँ पे फोटो मस्त है इस पर. हाँ ना, चल एक बार देखते हैं. देखिए
उस साइड किस साइड से जाए.
टूथ क्रॉक्स लगा के है. लेकिन कहाँ जाए? Thomas, you don't want to come? Come, we'll go there.
Careful. You should have stand here, no? We should have taken from here.
No, but she can't sit there, no? रास्ता है कि नहीं? हाँ? स्लिप मत करना खाली बस. इस पे आके देख ले, इस पत्थर पे आके. सैंडल को नीचे रख, कोई बात नहीं ना.
Okay, stand there.
Go ahead, Thomas. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video because we've come to the end of the video. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Lots of love. Bye.